Rahul, welcome and thank you so much for doing this. Okay. And before proceeding further, I would just like to understand a little bit about your background in terms of experience and domain of yours.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tanya, for giving me this opportunity to provide feedback on the course which I purchased for. So, if we talk about my professional experience, I have almost 5 years of experience in finance and accounts, and especially in the export documentation and the GST compliance and the accounts receivable parts. And so this is my professional journey so far, and I was working with the Trident Limited, and I have opted this course to embark my journey in IT sector from a non-technical background. Yeah. So my overall learning journey with Skillfyme was really very excellent, and actually the content was well structured. It understands that if someone is from the non-IT background, how to provide detailed knowledge towards the tool and towards the process and towards the methodologies which are used in the IT sector, especially in a particular application development program. So for me, it is well structured, and the instructors are following the course curriculum accordingly as per the knowledge of every student present in that. I also have doubts about whether there would be hands-on learning experience, but those doubts cleared for me because the content is providing the good practical session and assignments, and it was very interactive experience with the trainer, which helped me in understanding the tools better. I can say most of the doubts were clarified during the live sessions only. The instructors took time to explain the concepts in detail, and I think none of the topics were skipped. And also there is a full doubt clear session on Friday,
Yeah.
in which the doubts which are gone skipped during the session. So we got doubts while rehearsing those live classes, and those doubts were clear on the Friday session. So we got full support on the doubt sessions. The support from mentors was very helpful. They were responsive queries and provided guidance on both technical and theoretical questions. In my case, my point of contact is you only. So I have many doubts in starting, like Tanya, will I be able to pursue a good career post completion of this course? So you could handle those queries very clearly for providing me the positive vibe towards my career. So it's very, very helpful for me. So I would definitely recommend this course. It's ideal for those who want to build a strong foundation in DevOps AI with the practical exposure. Make sure to stay, and I want to suggest them that make sure to stay consistent and participate actively in the live sessions.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you so much.
Thank you.